Welcome to Science Hub. Today we're diving into one of the universe's most captivating mysteries, an extraordinary gamma-ray burst known as GRB 250702B. Detected by NASA's Fermi Gamma-Ray Space Telescope, this event has truly puzzled astronomers across the globe. Gamma-ray bursts are among the most powerful phenomena in the cosmos, shining brightly enough to be observed from billions of light-years away. These bursts typically result from two scenarios: the collision of neutron stars, or the dramatic end of a massive star in a supernova known as a collapse. In both cases, these stellar catastrophes release intense focused emissions of radiation and particles. While gamma-ray bursts are not rare, astronomers spot one or two each day, GRB 250702B stood out due to its unusual duration. This burst lasted nearly a full day, a duration unprecedented in the study of gamma-ray bursts. Moreover, it exhibited three distinct pulses throughout this extended period. These peculiar characteristics have spurred scientists to investigate further, facing challenges such as its location within the Milky Way's galactic plane, complicating efforts to pinpoint its cosmic origin. Fortunately, the James Webb Space Telescope, designed to penetrate cosmic dust, has helped a team of researchers trace GRB 250702B back to a galaxy more than 5 billion light-years away. This galaxy itself is a remarkable discovery, being the largest and brightest host galaxy of a gamma-ray burst found so far, with vast amounts of dust. But what caused this spectacular burst? Scientists propose two main theories. The first suggests an unusual collapse of a massive star, unleashing an exceptionally high-energy burst. The second theory posits that it resulted from a tidal disruption event where a white dwarf star was shredded and consumed by an intermediate mass black hole. These hypotheses are stirring up significant debate in the scientific community, each requiring substantial evidence to be confirmed. This makes GRB 250702B particularly intriguing, possibly signaling a new type of colossal cosmic explosion. As researchers continue to gather evidence to unravel this extraordinary event, GRB 250702B remains a fascinating milestone in our quest to understand the universe's hidden wonders. Subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of the cosmos.